Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, American Rodder. My name is Solon, and in tonight's video we feature what viewers have asked for this week, and that is Mopars. If you like this kind of videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and go ahead and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time we post a video, which usually will be in about 3 days. And be sure to remember that links to the cars can be found in the video's description. All you have to do is go in there and click on the link, and it should take you straight to the car that's featured for sale. The commentary question for tonight's video is the same as it was in the last video. What type of car would you like to see featured for sale in these videos? Got a lot of good response in the last video, resulting in the video that you're watching tonight. So drop those comments and let me know what kind of car you'd like to see. Now let's go ahead and get into the video with number 1. 1965 Plymouth Fury Sport, listed in Franklin, Kentucky for $10,800. We'll start out with this one because this is probably my favorite car of the video. It's a garage kept second owner 2-door hardtop 1965 Plymouth Fury Sport. Has 91,000 original miles. It has MSD electronic ignition, power brakes, power steering, has a brand new interior, comes with factory bucket seats and console. Seller states you can drive and ride this baby. It's in excellent running condition. Asking $10,800, and he does not say that that's firm, so it could be negotiable. Number 2. This is a 1968 Plymouth Satellite, listed in Salina, Tennessee for $15,000. Now this possibly could be the best deal in the videos tonight. You decide and let me know what you think in the comments. The mileage for this vehicle is unlisted, but it does have automatic transmission. The exterior color is green, the interior color is green, and it has a clear title. The person listing this vehicle is the second owner. He had purchased the car where it had been sitting under a carport for 35 years. When the original owner passed away, he acquired it from his family. It has all original miles, 100% original interior. It's an unmolested car, runs good, will drive, but could use some brake work from sitting. The interior is in great shape for the year. There is a tear in the headliner. It does have the original radio. The dash is not cracked. It currently has police wheels on it, but he does have the original wheels and hubcaps to go with the car. He lists the car as 95% rust free. Only got a couple of rusty spots, as you can see in some of the pictures, but overall very little rust. Original fender tag is still on the car. You won't find a more solid car, but the vinyl top does have some cracks in it. He also includes a new gas tank and straps to go with the car. Number 3. This is a 1970 Dodge Coronet, listed in Aniana, Alabama for $25,123, which is kind of an odd number, but maybe that means it's negotiable. This vehicle has automatic transmission. The mileage is unlisted. The exterior color is brown. The interior color is white. The seller doesn't give a whole lot of description about the car other than that it runs and drives great. He has a 383 in it with an automatic transmission, and he suggests anybody just come over and take a look at it when they want to. He's also considered possible trades. Number 4. This is a 1966 Chrysler Rambler, listed in Richmond, Indiana for $8,500. This car is a street legal or drag strip car roller, which means that the motor is not in it currently, but I'll give you those details here in just a moment. This car has been driven 66,000 miles, has automatic transmission. The exterior color is turquoise and the interior color is white. This car is set up for the drag strip or the street. It's street legal. It's been titled, plated, and insured. This rolling chassis comes with a 1976 Corvette 350 short block. Lots of extra parts, too many to list, but you can go to the listing and check out all the items needed to set this car up for drag racing. Number 5. This is a 1973 Dodge Challenger, listed in Charleston, South Carolina for $30,000. This car's been driven 47,500 actual original miles. It has the original interior, automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange and the interior color is black. The person listing the car is the third owner and it has a clean title. The vehicle has a partial wrap around the car which gives it its custom paint look, but the car is in great condition, runs excellent, and he's open for best offer. Number 6. Okay guys, here's something you don't see listed very often. This is a 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, listed in Bryant, Alabama for $4,441. This vehicle has been driven 48,526 original miles, has automatic transmission. The exterior color is black and the interior color is black. This is the 1976 Chrysler Cordoba that has the 2 doors with T-tops sedan. This car has tilt steering wheel, air, AM, FM 8-track that still works great, a 400 automatic transmission with a console. It runs and drives great. Lights and signals work, even the little turn signals on top of the fenders. Has new tires and new shocks, new brakes, new exhaust, and it even has the original T-top bags in the trunk for the T-tops. Just a cool little piece of the 70s that you could drive while fixing up. Number 7. Now guys, here's your beauty. This is a 1968 Chrysler 300 convertible, listed in Whitwell, Tennessee for $15,000. It's a very cool daily driver. The mileage is unlisted, has automatic transmission, white exterior and white interior. Has a clear title. It has console automatic on the floor, new brakes, new fuel tank, new shocks, coilover in the rear, hideaway headlights, running and driving just great. Top works up and down and is white and is in good condition. Has the original interior. Looking for $15,000 or best offer. Now guys, if your negotiating skills are good, you might be able to jump on this beautiful little car and get it for a very decent price. Number 8. This is the 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner, listed in Columbia, Kentucky for $16,000. This car's been driven 130,000 original miles. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange. The interior color is black, and it has a very clean title. This is a rare and clean little 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner, all original except for the interior carpet. The motor is original and is cammed. You won't see many of these 360 engine automatic transmission setups. The gas gauge, however, isn't working, needs a little bit of work on it. He's asking $16,000 or best offer. Number 9. 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner clone, listed in Columbia, Tennessee for $27,000. Okay guys, the seller does not show the mileage listed, but he does show it has automatic transmission. The exterior color is orange and the interior color is black. It does come with a clean title. He says that also with this car, it comes with a 318 hooked up to a 727 in the car, but he also has the 400/727 with numbers matching motor in the shop to go with it. It has a 3.91 rear end and a 2.76 rear end to go with it also. He wants cash or trade for the Dodge Ram Crew Cab Hemi 4x4 2010 or newer model with around 100,000 or less miles. He has $25,000 invested in the car with 8 years of time and labor. He has lots of parts and extras, numbers matching motors. He's asking $27,000 or best offer, or will trade for equal value. Okay guys, we made it to number 10, the last one for tonight's video. This is a 1974 Plymouth Duster listed in Sill, Alabama for $5,500. This car's been driven 1,000 miles since the motor's been built. Has automatic transmission. The exterior color is blue. The interior color is gray. The listing is for this 1974 Plymouth Duster Coupe. This one started out as a 6-cylinder, but now has a heavy cammed 383 from a 1965 Mopar and automatic transmission. This car runs and drives very good and has new disc brakes on the front. Asking $5,500 cash, or will trade for a $10,000 bumper pull dump trailer. Okay guys, that's it for tonight's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll get notification of the next upcoming video. Be sure to check out my other videos and see what great ones you can find there. Thanks again for watching. Love everybody out there. See you in the next video.